Commonly confused words in English. Many writers are confused about words that sound and look alike. They may rely heavily on a spell checker. However, the computer can only guess. You must be sure the word is the one with the meaning you intended, so you won't confuse your reader. Anytime you're not sure what a word means, look it up in a dictionary for both meaning and to see how it is used. Here are some from our list. Accept, accept. Accept means to receive or to agree to. Please accept this gift. Accept is a preposition that means but. It may also be a verb that means to leave out or exclude. Example, everyone will be there except you. Except there is used as preposition. Another, some students may be exempted from taking physical education. Excepted there is used as verb that means to be excluded. Another, advise. Advise. Advise, a noun, means an opinion offered as a guide. Advise, a verb, which means to give advice. Why should I advise you when you never accept my advice? Another, affect, effect. Affect is a verb that means to cause a change in or to influence the emotions of. The mayor's policies have affected every city agency. Affect may be a noun or a verb. As a noun, it means result. As a verb, it means to bring about or accomplished. Example, the mayor's policies have had a positive effect on every city agency. As verb, the mayor has effected positive changes in every city agency. Another, already, already. Already means completely ready. Already means before or by this time. Example, the band was all ready to play its last number, but the fans were already leaving the stadium. Now let us have this pair. All together, all together. All together means in a group. Example, let's cheer all together. All together means completely or in all. Example, you are being altogether silly. Another, she has 5 pesos in pocket and 25 pesos in wallet. That's 30 pesos altogether. Now let us have this pair. Among, between. Use among to show relationship in which more than 2 persons or things are considered as a group. The committee will distribute the used clothing among the poor families in the community. Use between to show relationship involving 2 persons or things, to compare more than 2 items within a single group. Example for this is, what was the difference between Elvis Presley and other singers of the 20th century? And for our last pair of words, we have here a while, a while. Use a while after a preposition. Example, she read for a while. Use a while as an adverb. Example, of course, she read a while. So I guess that's all for tonight, and hope this clip has helped you a lot. Until next time, please again, don't forget to like, then until our next vid, bye bye, and have a good time, everyone around the world. Bye.